Hoagie? Hoagie! Where are you?
Pinkfong! Hoagie!
Pinkfong!
Baby Shark's family is sitting around the table.
Let's make something delicious. What would you like to have?
I want a fish pasta.
I want a fish pizza. I want a glass of fish wine.
I want a fish cake.
Great! Let's go catch some fish. Baby Shark's family arrived at the fishing hole. Let's catch some fish together. Baby Shark caught 1 red fish. Mommy Shark caught 3 purple fish. Daddy Shark caught 3 green fish. Grandma Shark caught 3 red fish. And Grandpa Shark, where is Grandpa Shark? Wow! Grandpa Shark caught all the remaining fish with a fishing net.
Wow!
Shall we start cooking?
The delicious-looking meal is ready. A fish pasta, a fish pizza, a bowl of fish soup, a glass of fish wine, and a fish cake. Let's give them a taste.
Huh?
Huh?
Huh? No way!
Fish are moving in a row. Where are they going? The fish came back to the fishing hole.
Safe at last, do-do-do-do-do. Safe at last, do-do-do-do-do. Safe at last, do-do-do-do-do. Safe at last!
I got you!
Oh no!
Play fun games on our apps. Search for Pinkfong on YouTube.